You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Baby Cooks, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm so excited. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very different type of video. I'm going to be showing you what 500,000 naira can get you in Abuja in terms of accommodation. We're going to be checking out 3 to 4 places, and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me and show you guys the space. So basically, when you pay 500,000 naira a year, I'm going to be showing you what your living space is going to look like. And also, the first step before you get an apartment here is to find an agent. Luckily, I was able to find one, and I'm currently waiting for him at a location he told me to wait. And once he comes, we will go and check out the apartment. Second thing to note is trying to find an apartment in Abuja. In order to view an apartment, you have to pay a standard fee of, well, not a standard fee, you have to pay a fee of 2,000 naira. I believe it's negotiable because I'm actually going to negotiate the price, but I'll let you know if I get a discount or not. So just bear in mind that if you're about to check any apartments in Abuja, you have to pay viewing fee, and like I said, it costs 2,000 naira. So to check out 3 apartments is going to cost me 6,000 naira. So yeah, you guys subscribe. Anyway, without further ado, I'll keep you guys posted on everything, and yeah, let's go.
Mr. Flavor Body Dance. Ready now. Mommy, daddy, brother, sister, auntie, uncle, shake it, body, oh. It's time to jubilate. Get on the floor and put on your dancing.
So the first apartment we decided to check out is located in Dawaki. Dawaki is an area along the Kubwa-Gwarimpa Road. It's also behind a place called News Engineering, and News Engineering is located opposite the Gwarimpa estate. As you can see, the roads aren't really developed. If you decide to live here, I would suggest you stay in a building with great security. I would also suggest you kind of know the people that live around you, like know your neighbors, just in case you get into any problem. You can have people to save you. I would also suggest you stay alert. Try not to walk your neighborhood alone after dark, and avoid like distractions. Don't listen to people. Just kind of go straight to your house, because I must say the roads, they don't look safe at all.
Hey, everybody dance, baby, dance.
We just got to the first apartment, and I'm going to be honest with you guys. That's my brother, by the way. I'm going to be honest with you guys. The road is not the best. Let me show you what it looks like. So basically, if you have a car, you can't drive past this area. What happened? Someone already paid for the place, but I'm going to be showing you what it looks like, because I told him that it doesn't matter. I just want to show you guys. And this is what the building looks like, you guys.
Hey, aha! Now one of level. Hey, okay. Hey, okay. What to want a cream on your marima?
So guys, the craziest thing just happened. So while we were going to view the place, the landlord or the manager or whoever is in charge of the place was like, sorry, you can't film it. I'm just like, but he's like, oh no, you can't film it, leave this place, blah blah blah. So we left, and now we're off to the second location, and hopefully if I'm able to film, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, we're switching up the video a little bit. Please ignore my hair. I forgot to bring out my hairbrush, and the wind is doing all sorts of things to my hair today. But anyway, we switched it up a little bit. I'm going to be showing you what, is it 800,000 naira? I'm going to be showing you what 800,000 naira can get you in Abuja. Well, the title remains the same, but on our way to the other location, he decided to show me this place. So I'm like, why not? I'm going to show you. And my first impression, the compound looks clean, way better than the last one. Let me show you what the building looks like. This is what the building looks like. That is the agent. And yeah, let's go for viewing. So we're going to be viewing this apartment, and it is a 2-bedroom apartment.
Baby, oh, it be finally my spec. When you want to miss it,
So guys, this is what the kitchen looks like. It's not too big, but I feel like it's good enough. And if you have like a gas cooker or something, this is where you would put it because of the switch here. This is the sink, and it has this window. And let me show you. You have like a outdoor balcony type thing situation happening here. And yeah, you also have cupboards and all of that stuff. And yeah, you have a store. I forgot to mention, you have a store. This is what it looks like. It's pretty dark. Like, my camera is actually trying. So yeah, let me show you then this should be your dining area. So basically you have the kitchen, your dining area, and then there's a guest toilet here. There's a guest toilet here, nothing too fancy, just same old. Let me show you what the bedrooms look like, so you can have an idea in case you want to get this place. So this is one of the bedrooms. So yeah, it has POP. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay. Alrighty. And the second bedroom, this is what it looks like. I feel like it's the same as the first one. This is what it looks like.
Some people they don't like them, they come they jealous me.
And we're on. So just know this is what the compound looks like. So the last apartment I just showed you guys is also located in Dawaki, just another part of Dawaki. Right now we're headed to the last place we'll be viewing in this video, and it's also located in Dawaki. Clearly you have a lot of vacant apartments in Dawaki, so once we get there I'm going to be showing you what that looks like and giving you guys all the tea. On this sad day, the weather was horrible. It was raining. Even after it stopped raining, the weather wasn't just the best, but we had to make this video. So just in case you noticed the weather change, that's the reason why. So you guys, in this clip, I was scared for my dear life, but I just had to act cool so the dog would not notice anything. But yeah, this compound has a dog. Hi guys, so we just got to the final place. Yeah, there's a dog there, so I'm kind of distracted. This is a 2-bedroom apartment, and I'm going to be showing you what it looks like. So without further ado, let us go. So as you can see, I think they have about 2 or 3 of this. So once you walk in, obviously this doesn't come with the house. I think there's still someone stays here or they're doing some construction. But once you enter the house, this is the door. Ow. So this is what the kitchen looks like. The door, like I said, it's wooden and it has orange cupboards, and yeah, it's pretty basic. This is the switch. Obviously that wouldn't come with the house. I think someone like stays here, so I just want you to see all of that. This is one bedroom. This is what it looks like. It's pretty basic, nothing too fancy, but it doesn't have POP as you can see. Let me guess the second room. This is what the second room looks like. Unlike the first room, the second room is en suite with toilet and bathroom together. Okay, let me show you guys. It's pretty dark, but you have the toilet behind the door. You have the sink here. My favorite thing about this bathroom is just the tiles. So my favorite thing about the place is the tiles in the bathroom. I realized that most people, when they tend to build apartments and stuff, they kind of forget the bathroom. You see a fine apartment, but then you go to the bathroom and you're like, please build this place again. So for this, I would commend the tiles. But the bathroom itself, and this is the wardrobe. It's nothing too fancy. Like I said, it's just your regular schmegular ceiling, no POP or anything of that sort. And it comes with a wooden door. So this is what the tiles, I do not like the tiles at all, but this is what the tiles look like. And yeah, the other door is different. I feel like it's wood. Okay. So this is the toilet that you share with the guests. So this room uses this toilet with the guests as well. Hi guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. I'm a bit disappointed because we didn't get to see all the places we wanted to see, but definitely more of this video is coming soon. I'm going to be doing my research to find other places, more like nicer places where you guys can, obviously more expensive. So bear in mind that if you're trying to get an apartment or a self-contained in Abuja for 500, 600, 700, 800, you're not going to get something very luxurious. You're going to get something nice, but something basic as well. So this is the outside of the apartment I just showed you, and the outside looks pretty good. I feel like it's a renovated apartment, so just bear that in mind as well. I'm going to be more informative in my subsequent videos on apartments and give you guys more details. It's just that today things just went south and I just had to make this video work, so I hope you guys appreciate my effort. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be sure to answer them. And I should call this Vivian something. I'll think of a name and I'll put it here. But until I see you in, yeah, subscribe and like, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.